In this primitive age, no formal medicine existed to soothe the sick child. With no doctors coming, the tribe turned to ancient, hidden ways of healing. For thousands of years, humans believed illness was born from spiritual causes. Disease was often seen as the work of invisible, restless forces. Evil spirits were deeply feared across many ancient and diverse cultures. Yet, true healing required far more than just gathered herbs. It required protection from unseen, lurking dangers in the darkness. For thousands of years, humans believed illness was born from spiritual causes. People carried these precious items with them everywhere they traveled. Others preferred carved stones or ocean shells for their journeys. These objects were believed to possess deep, spiritual powers. A bear tooth might provide the strength needed to conquer illness. Disease was often seen as the work of invisible, restless forces. Red ochre held deep spiritual meaning in many ancient societies. It required protection from unseen, lurking dangers in the darkness. These discoveries suggest spiritual healing was widespread across human history. Shamans often guided these vital ceremonies for their people. They acted as healers, spiritual leaders, and trusted advisors. Songs echoed through prehistoric camps, calling for restoration. Drums beat rhythmically into the deep of the night. Dancing formed a powerful part of many healing rituals. The entire community often participated, united in their purpose. Belief itself may have directly influenced the healing process. Expecting recovery can sometimes actually improve physical outcomes. Ancient rituals may have significantly reduced fear and stress. Lower stress can support the body's natural healing processes. Yet, rituals were rarely used as a singular approach. Herbal remedies frequently accompanied these sacred ceremonies. Spiritual and physical healing always worked hand in hand. Across ancient civilizations, the use of amulets remained popular. Ancient Egyptians famously wore intricate protective charms. Mesopotamians inscribed healing spells on stone tablets. Many of these traditions survived for thousands of years. Some continue to be practiced even today. Archaeologists continue uncovering these mysterious ritual objects.
I've never seen anything like this sculpture.
Wait, look at the base here. I think I found a date marker.
That would make it the oldest piece in the collection.
Did ancient people truly believe these objects worked? Hope quickly became an important form of medicine. In a dangerous world, hope increased the tribe's resilience. Ancient healers understood this reality quite instinctively. Their methods combined careful observation, tradition, and belief. Not every ritual was able to cure the disease. Yet these practices profoundly shaped our human culture. They influenced our early religion, medicine, and society. Healing rituals consistently connected human communities together. They created shared meaning during times of suffering. Human beings have always searched for answers, especially when facing the uncertainty of illness. Long before science, belief filled the unknown voids. Charms offered necessary protection in an unpredictable world. Our ancestors sought comfort, hope, and healing, which remain unchanged today.